Hello, in this video I will show you how to change search engine to a custom one on Honor Pad X8. So you have to start with opening your internet browser, and now you have to go to your search engine website, and for this example I will use yep.com. And now you have to search something using your search engine. Now click on the three dots icon, click settings, and click on search engine, and in recently visited you should have now yep.com option. Now click back, and as you can see, my search engine is now set to Yep. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave a like and subscribe.